Okay, this would be my 760 Pump Master, 177 cal BBs. That's what it takes. The safety is right here. I don't know if you can see that really, but when it's on red, you can fire it. When it's not, like on the other side, if it's not, then you can't fire it. You load the BBs by cocking that thing back. I've got a scope on it, so I don't know, but I hunt squirrel sometimes with my gun. But you can kind of see that button right in there. You pull that back, and yeah. Well, I'll show you a bit more of that later. But anyways, you pump it like this down here. You pump it, like, pull it out and push it back in like that. And then after that, and then, okay, this is how you load it. I will not be loading mine today because my parents don't allow me to load my gun in the house. But anyways, you put, like, I don't know, I put quite a lot of BBs in there, and then after that you just close it back up, and then if you can see that button that I have my finger on, you pull that back and shake the gun around like that. Got that? Like, kind of like that, okay? So, and then after that, you can use, well, I don't know. After that, you can, well, yeah, you can fire the gun off, of course, but what happens is there's a magnetic slide right in there. So, when you cock that back, it hits the BB, and you can push it back into the chamber. It's got adjustable sights if you don't use it. I bought this gun for $39.80 something, and plus tax makes it $40. It's a pretty good gun. I'm sorry I put it in my sock drawer, but that's the only place I could find enough light to actually show you. So, but these are not the recommended